Here you go.
Oh, bang, bang. Boy.
Don't touch me.
It's a tap. I didn't touch you. It's a difference. This is touching. I didn't touch you.
There we go.
See what you got.
Hey, do you need like goggles or earplugs or anything like that?
No, usually the bad guys don't give us time to put on all that kind of stuff.
Okay, right. That's actually a good point. It makes a lot of sense. And it's better to keep it real. I would rather this be real. You know what I mean?
Keep it real.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Freeze! How you say freeze? Freeze. Okay. You know what it is? You don't move your top lip that much. I move my top lip so it doesn't come out stern. You get what I'm saying? Freeze.
Just shoot.
Shoot. Okay, see you pronounce everything. I got you. You ready? Here we go. Freeze! Atlanta PD! Get on the ground! Hands behind your head! Fingers laced! You better lace them! Lace them!
Shoot the gun.
Okay, all right. Ready? Here we go. Damn it! I pitched it! I pitched the inside of my hand! I don't think the sight on the gun is quite calibrated where I was shooting.
Yeah, it's off by a centimeter or two.